Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to get email notifications to pop up in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account so your emails can load in. Once you're logged in and your inbox is visible, you're ready to move forward with setting up those pop-up notifications. Now, to get email notifications to pop up in Outlook, start by navigating to the File menu. You'll find this located on the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are displayed. Go ahead and click on the File tab to open that menu. Once the File menu has opened, direct your attention to the very bottom of this menu. You're looking for an option called Outlook Options. When you spot it, click on it, and a new window will appear. This is the Outlook Options window, and it's where you can customize a lot of different settings for how Outlook behaves. From this window, look over at the left side menu. You'll see several tabs listed there. Click on the Mail tab to access all the email-related settings. This section controls everything from how messages are composed to how you're notified when new emails arrive, so it's an important area to know about. Now, once you're in the Mail tab, scroll down through the options until you find a section called Message Arrival. This is the section that controls what happens when a new email comes into your inbox. Within this section, look for a checkbox labeled Display Desktop Alert. This is the setting that makes those pop-up notifications appear on your screen whenever a new email arrives. Go ahead and click on that checkbox to enable it. Once it's checked, Outlook will start showing you desktop alerts every time you receive a new message. After you've enabled that option, click the OK button on the bottom right part of the window to save your changes. This confirms everything you've set up and applies the new notification settings to your Outlook account. And that's it. You've now configured Outlook to display pop-up notifications whenever a new email arrives, so you'll never miss an important message again. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.